Here I have OPPO F21 Pro without Reno, and today I'm going to show you how to customize watermark in camera on this device. So first let's open camera, tap here, go to its settings, and then go to the watermark. Firstly you have to enable it, and here you can add custom text, which is like a basically custom watermark. So you can enter your name, your surname, something you like, some quote or some meme or some hashtag, I don't know. I'm just gonna enter my real name, like I have in my ID. So feel free to screenshot and share. You can also enable device model, date and time, location. You can change size of your watermark, and you can also change its position, as you can see. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.